Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students and welcome to AppSex online sport program. Students, this is week 1 and day 4 lecture, and this is our first unit, function and limits. Exercise 1.1. The given question number 5 is fx is equal to x cube minus ax squared plus bx plus 1 if f of 2 is equal to minus 3 and f of minus 1 is equal to 0. Find value of a and b. It means we need to find the value of a and b. Start the solution of this question, students. The first step of this question is we put x is equal to 2 because first of all we have need f of 2 in the place of x in given question. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus a 2 square because a x square plus b into 2 in the place of x plus 1. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8 minus a 2 square is equal to 4 minus 4a 2b plus 1. F of 2 is equal to minus 3 and this is given in our question. So in place of f of 2 we put minus 3. Minus 3 goes on right hand side and become positive. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 minus 4a plus 2. So students, you are familiar with linear simultaneous equation. So this is a type of simultaneous linear equation, okay, with two variables a and b. Next step of this question is fx is equal to x cube minus ax square plus bx plus 1. We substitute minus 1 as given in our question in the place of x. F minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube minus a into minus 1 square plus b into minus 1 plus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to, because of cube power, this is odd power, so minus will not remove. Minus 1 cube is equal to minus 1, and because of this square minus will be removed. We have minus a minus plus minus minus b plus 1, okay. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, okay. We have just minus a minus b, and in the place of f of minus 1 is equal to 0. In the place of f of minus 1 we put 0 because this is given in our question. 0 is equal to minus a minus b. This is our second equation. So students, we solve equation 1 and equation 2. This is equation 1. 0 is equal to 12 minus 4a plus 2b, and 12 goes on the left hand side become negative. Minus 12 is equal to minus 4a plus 2b, and the second equation is 0 is equal to minus a minus b. So students, to solve simultaneous linear equation, we multiply this 4 in this equation 2, okay, because we have need to equal coefficients of a. We remove one variable and the value of, we get the value of other variable, then we put that variable in first and second equation, then we have the value of second variable, okay. So we multiply this 4 by this whole equation 2. Equation 1 minus 12 is equal to minus 4a plus 2b is same, and then we multiply 4 with this equation. We have 0 is equal to minus 4a minus 4b. We subtract, and when we subtract, the sign will be changed. This negative get positive and this negative get positive. Minus 4a plus 4a cancel out, plus 2b plus 4b is equal to 6b, and 6 2s are 12, minus 2 is equal to b. So the value of b is minus 2. Put value of b in equation 1. This is equation 1. 0 is equal to 12 minus 4a plus 2b. In the place of b we put minus 2. 2 2s are 4, and 12 minus 4 8. Minus 4 goes on the left hand side and become positive. 4 2s are 8 Okay, so the value of A is equal to 2. So this is done because we have get the value of A and B. Question number 7 is show that parametric equations. Students, we will discuss later about the parametric equation. Then what are the parametric equations? Here the parametric equation x is equal to at square, y is equal to 2at represent the equation of the parabola y square minus 4x. Students, here I am telling you little about the parametric equation. In parametric equation, keep in mind always x and y. X is independent variable and y is dependent variable. And keep in mind in parametric equation, x and y show by third variable, that can be theta or t. Here the third variable is t, and t is also known as parameter. Solution of this question: given x is equal to at square, that is equation 1, y is equal to at, that is equation 2. By solving equation 2, okay, first of all we solve this equation, we eliminate t, meaning we will separate the value of t, that is this 2a will be divided on y, t is equal to y by 2a. In other equation we have t square, so we will scaling on both sides. T square is equal to 4 square, the square of 2 is 4, and a square, so t square is equal to 4 y square divided by 4 square. We put this value of t in equation 1 in the place of t square. X is equal to a as it is, in the place of t square, value of t square y square divided by 4 a square. And a cancel, we have 1a here because here is power 1 and here is power 2. Okay, so we have x is equal to y square divided by 4a, 4 will be multiplied here, and finally we have 4ax is equal to y square, and this is the quadratic equation, and this is the equation of the parabola. Students, you will be later briefly and deeply about the parabola, hyperbola and the ellipse. Next, second part of this question, x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. Represent the equation of ellipse. Okay, the equation of standard equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So x is equal to a cos theta, a will be divided here, x by a is equal to cos theta, that is equation 1. Y is equal to b sin theta, b divided by here, y by b is equal to sin theta. So we have two equations, x by a is equal to cos theta and y by b is equal to sin theta. So student, to find out this equation, okay, we scaling and adding, this is technique which is used frequently in mathematics. You are also familiar this technique in first year. Squaring and adding 1 and 2. Okay, the squaring and adding of equation 1 and equation 2. So x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta, and you know about this very well. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So x by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is our required equation of ellipse. Note student, do you yourself part 3 same process. Okay, you will be solve yourself the part of this question, part 3 of this question. Okay, and I hope that you understood each and everything of this lecture. But if you have any confusion about the question solution process, please contact me. I will tell you each and everything more clearly and effectively. Thank you so much.